This video is about how to change a tape for Smith Corona Electra 120 typewriter, and just make sure that this cylinder piece is in the middle, and the handle is not blocking you when you're changing the tape, because then what you need to do is grab this piece, this top, you grab it on the side and you squeeze it gently and pull it forward toward you, and then you take the tape out. Okay, you just take the tape out like this, very gently, and then when you want to go and insert a new one, you put it back into this, right there in that spot. You put this piece back into the same spot. Then right here are the little pieces, and you need to go actually and insert the tape right between these tiny plates. Let me zoom in and show you. Okay, so not between these two plates, but between these two plates. Okay, I just could not figure it out in the beginning, and I didn't find any videos. So if you are changing the tape, first let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so then you put that tape right between those two, like it's not there yet. No, not yet. It's rather a little difficult. Let's do it this way. Okay, I got it in there. Okay, and then I usually make it kind of loose in here. Don't lose it there. Lose it here, loose, and then try to put it between those two other ones. Okay, and it's there. And now gently pull it and spread it, and tighten it. I thought I'm gonna use my tweezers, but I didn't have to. And tighten this one. This piece, usually when you're typing capital letters, it goes up. Okay, so that's why it has to be in between those plates. Okay, and you're good to go. Just push this.